Deadbolt in the front straight. So that puts 3 down for your leader. Remember that deadbolt right and straight. Remember that deadbolt in the front. You got Rick Bellinger in first. Coming around on that 4th spot. I love the small Nitro. Thank you, Jared Kelly. I appreciate that. All right, Rick, when you cross the line, just bring it in. And Dennis, just cross the line and bring it in. You'll have second. Bring it in. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, or not. Go time, line up.
Dennis, you can bring it in. Last lap, you guys bring it in. Good job.